Good evening, good day, or good night. I'm your guest Hookah-Drew, and today I'm going to be going over the Sahara Smoke Assassin Stem. So going over some of the few basics, it's a medium hookah. I'm not exactly sure on the height, but I know it's a medium hookah, so we'll stick with that. As you can see, it has an Assassin's A on the stem base, which looks really cool. And as you can see, the purge valve is almost like a vent, so it's not so much of a ball bearing being bounced around, it's more like a vent opening up, which is actually really cool. And then you have a big gaping hole where you can shove the hose right in. And going to the hose is actually, it has its modern, original kind of wooden feel on the ends and the tips, but they both do pop off and you have a washable hose. But not only does this hookah smoke well, it also looks sexy as fuck. It has some really cool engravings on the ashtray itself and on the stem going up. It has a very unique shape at the bottom of the base, and like every other Sahara Smoke hookah, it's interchangeable with other stem attachments or any add-ons that you want to give to it. Something I do enjoy about this stem, which a lot of other hookahs from Sahara Smoke starting from the beginning to now, they all had some stem issues inside the stem where there was a buildup. But I was fortunate enough to beat the out of this one and let it sit around, and absolutely no buildup or debris inside the stem, so I'm very impressed by this hookah. And to top it all up, it even comes with a sexy pair of tongs, which kind of looks like a dagger, which is kind of cool. Got a nice little cut trim. They're very long, they work very well. But once again, like I said, it's a Sahara Smoke stem, so it's interchangeable with bases as well. So you can get any semi-medium sized bases for this one, depending on the stem attachment that the drop stem attachment that you might use for it. You're probably wondering, how does it smoke? I'm going to show you real quick. It allows for great airflow, and even when you're going to purge, it's very quiet. It's just sounds like you're blowing it as if there was already a hole there. Aside from all the different Sahara Smoke hookahs that I have tried in the past to now, I find this hookah to be actually not only very attractive, but it's also a great product. This is something I would recommend if you're looking for a semi-medium hookah, and if you're into Sahara Smoke hookahs, you can interchange with a bunch of different attachments and adapters, and it just goes out of control what you can do with these hookahs. That about wraps up this review for the Sahara Smoke hookah. It's very short. Try to get to the point as much as I can, in my opinion. With many opinions being out there, this is my opinion on their hookahs because I've had many of them and smoked many of them. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm Hookah-Drew.